Are you curious as to what the molecular mass of calcium phosphide is? Or are you just doing this to answer a question for school? I'm sure it's the latter, just like I would be viewing the video for that exact reason. Anyway, if you're curious about the molecular mass, take a look. I'm going to create this little table, help us organize our thoughts. Bam! So the first thing is I'm going to write down the particular element, or the elements that I see. So I have calcium in calcium phosphide and phosphorus. Next is then to identify the number of atoms. This is where the subscripts come into play. So the subscript of calcium here is a 3. That means we have 3 calcium atoms, and then we have 2 phosphorus. Cool. This also, by the way, could represent the number of moles as well. All right, but it doesn't really matter. Atoms are moles, tomato, tomato. If you're calculating molar mass, technically this would be number of moles, but all the math here will work out the same. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take those numbers that we just found and multiply by the mass of each particular element. That's found in the periodic table. All right. So let's take a look. So the mass of calcium here is about 40.08, and the mass of phosphorus is about 30.97. The magnitudes of those numbers are identical, no matter if you're calculating molar mass or molecular mass. If it's molar mass, the units are just in terms of grams per mole, and molecular mass then will be in terms of AMU. All right, so let's write that down. So here for calcium, we got 40.08, and here we have 30.97 for phosphorus. Then all we're simply going to do is, was it 0.97? Yeah, 0.97. Cool, just had to double check. Then the total mass of the element. Now we're going to simply multiply this row on across. All right, so 40.08 times 3 is going to work out to be about 120.24, I think. And then here, 30.97 times 2 should work out to be about 61.94. And then to find the total mass now of the entire compound, literally just add this column together. Add up all the totals of each particular element. And that should work out to be now 182.18. And since we're solving for molecular mass, the units here are in terms of AMU, or aka atomic mass units. All right, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Check out some more of our videos. We've got thousands of solved problems out there. Physics, mathematics, chemistry here. We try to organize it on our channel via playlist. And yeah, I guarantee we'll be able to help you out with something else. We'd love to. Take care.